Okay, I'm going to show you how you can add cleanup timers. So first you need to select which timer amount that you want to use, and you'll copy it and paste it, and then just drag it to fit the size in the place timer here spot. Once you have it in the right place, then you're actually going to go onto the side and right click on the slide itself, copy, and then paste it directly there on the side by where you see the slides. And if you select the slide above where you want it, then you can paste it behind it. And if you want to, you can adjust one of the timers to be a longer length. Perhaps like at the end of all of the timers, you might need a little bit more time to clean all of the centers up. So you might need a little bit longer. So you can change that out by copying and pasting it and drag it to size. Just follow those same steps. And then I will show you what it looks like with all of the slides together, as if you were presenting them during centers. So you can just select straight from present mode the timer in the corner, and then you'll find that there's this gray little box that marks each of the rotations. And then when you click next, it takes you to the cleanup timer. So there's rotation 2. Then once you click again, it will take you to the cleanup timer, and you just need to push play for each one. And those are all of the rotations.